Hey Leo, this is your career reading for the month of October. It's a general reading, so keep that in mind. And this is also a yes or no reading. Only if the cards tell me some answers, I will answer that in the reading during the reading. So think about your question. And if you have any specific question in your mind with respect to your career, just drop it in the comment section below, and I'll answer that question in a yes or no format. And we have Ace of Cups, Eight of Cups, the Hangman, Three of Cups, Nine of Cups, and Page of Cups. A lot of cups, a lot of cups. That means a lot of abundance is coming towards you, Leo. Okay, the overall career energy here, Leo, is that new creative opportunities on your way, and you are standing your ground and eventually achieving the emotional satisfaction and recognition that you have been looking for. This is a mix of hard work, patience, and a moment of celebration in the month of October. A beautiful energy. And now, in the starting of your career, we have the Ace of Cups, which says that there is a fresh start in your career. So, you are either you have been promoted in the past, or you were looking for a job in the past, and you got an opportunity. So, you said yes to that opportunity, and you are going to start that new job or work, or maybe you are not it's not only about job. This might also be about a passion that you wanted to always wanted to follow, and you were like, okay, now I am done with this 9 to 5 thing, and now I want to follow my career. So, whatever it is, it's a fresh start in your career. So, something fresh is about to happen. And if you were looking for an answer that whether you should go for your towards that career opportunity, sorry, towards your passion that you have been waiting for, it's a yes from the universe. You should do give it a try. If you're confident that you will manage it, then go for it. Okay. Sorry. Now this fresh start is something which emotionally fulfills your soul. So I am getting a sign that this is something to do with your passion. So this is also something related to a creative field, and you had this thing, you have it in your hand, you are not doing it because you're scared. But don't be scared, okay? Just the universe is telling you to start afresh, and whatever you are doing going to do, it is going to emotionally fulfill you. Okay. And this is something which excites your heart and not just head. Now, moving forward, we have competition, we have challenges, somebody sneaking out, you are trying to run away from something, and then we have a pause or delay. So maybe you started something, you're planning to start something, and then you took action for that, and then you won't be able to see the results that you were expecting from this fresh start. So there's a pause, there is a delay, and things are not moving forward quickly as you wanted them to be. But this is the time where you can see your career from a very different angles. Sometimes stepping back brings the breakthrough. Okay, so just take a pause, think about it, rethink about it, see how it is, how you started, see if you can reorganize your plan of action and make things work. And then we have Three of Cups, which is a very strong suggestion that networking and collaboration are required. So if you are that kind of a person, Leo, who thinks that, okay, I can do everything on my own and I don't need no help, then the universe is telling you to take help from your friends, okay? Because maybe this new thing that you are wishing to start has to do something with your friends, because collaboration is on the card. There is celebration, there is teamwork, there's recognition from the colleagues for paying, you playing something big. But then this clearly means that there is support from your circle. So people are recognizing your potential, and you took a decision, you are feeling stuck in that decision, but don't be scared because you have your people to support you. And if you are a person who has two other friends, it's a group of three people, rest assured your your friends are on your side. Okay, they are going to support you no matter what, and they are your pillars of strength, and they are there to help you. Take tell them, talk to them, have a word with them, and ask them to be there for you, and they'll be there for you. And I see celebration also. So the stuck energy is over, and you are moving forward, you are celebrating your success, your friends are happy for you, and you people are getting the things that you wanted, because we have nine of cups, which clearly says that a wish came true. So you wished for something, you wanted to become a rock star, you left your boring job, you started working on that, then you felt stuck, and then you worked on it, you replanned it, and you restructured your whole career path, and then you achieved the things that you were looking for. You wished for it, and now it's happening, and your friends are there to support you. You are collaborating with people, you are meeting new people, you are being with your friends, and they are helping you to achieve what you always wanted to achieve. So this is a very strong energy, Leo. You are getting recognition. This is a very stable thing that you are going towards, and it will get you a lot of success. And this is also a sign which shows that your hard work is materializing now. So this is not just personal satisfaction, but also a financial satisfaction, a sense of pride, and fulfillment is there. And in the end of the month, we have a spark of creativity and curiosity. And you are now, after this beautiful success, you are exploring new ideas, you are getting into new creative projects, and you are refreshing your career path. And you can also expect a very good news in the end of the month that will excite you emotionally, if not financially. So the overall energy here for you, Leo, is that a fresh beginning in your career is about to happen, but it comes with challenges. So do not doubt that everything will come as a piece of cake. If you are um planning to follow your passion, struggles will be there, and you will feel stuck, you will feel alone, you will feel disheartened, and stagnant. But with the right people around you and a right approach, your wish will be fulfilled. This is what universe is telling you. And you need to stand on your ground and embrace the delays and learn from the opportunities, find the right collaboration and recognition. And by the end of the month, you will achieve a wish that also rediscovers your creative spark, and it will leave you inspired and emotionally fulfilled. And the mantra for you, Leo, is embrace new beginnings, stand strong in challenges, and welcome the opportunities that bring joy and creativity and fulfillment. Okay, so keep this in mind that it is you who decides what your career would be, what your future would be. And if you work a little hard and work on yourself and try to ignore the hurdles on the way, not ignore, but tackle the hurdles beautifully, you are going to get what you always wanted to have in your life, and in a very good and a beautiful manner. And there is also a surprise waiting for you in the month of October. So if any of you was waiting for that call from a certain office, or an email or a communication that you had applied for, or you wanted to be in a certain company or college or anything like that, you are going to receive a sudden surprise call or message from them in a positive way. Okay,